Good morning and happy day 68, I believe. I know I'm behind on uploading, but YouTube is working slow with me, so we're gonna get it together. I do not have a morning ginger shot this morning. I was totally busy yesterday and did not get around to juicing. I weighed myself this morning and did not gain any weight last night from my burger. Balance, I guess you can say. I know it hasn't been the best eating vlog lately, celebrating and clowning, but we're about to get this together because this cruise is coming up really fast. I got 4 months and the vlog ends at 100 days. So I've got to get better for you guys. I got to show you guys more recipes. I got to show you guys more snacks and all that good stuff. So I'm really going to try harder to focus more on me. I've been focusing on everybody again, and that just goes to show that it's easy to start off strong and then you just kind of go. So it's real life. It's the point of the vlog. It happens, but it's important to stay consistent. I'm always consistent with I'm very consistent when it comes to like my morning and my night rituals, but I need to be more consistent throughout the day, and that's important to know and important to stick to. So I need to get back to my morning shake, morning snack, lunch, afternoon snack, dinner shake. Like, that's what I gotta do. And I know that's what I gotta do. I've just been busy and focusing on everybody else but myself again, and that's just what happens. So we're going to backtrack and get back on track. So besides my lemon ginger shot, because I just did not have time yesterday, didn't have time to juice whatsoever. Let's juice a lemon and let's drink some lemon juice. How about that? Juice the ginger, obviously, because I gotta get more into her last day of school. So, cheers to lemon. We're gonna take our gummies, 2 apple ciders, the greens, I'll make my shake while I chew. Take my kid, well, not kids, I'm gonna go take Kamora to school. She's only there for 4 hours, so I'm gonna go to the store and then we'll go pick her back up. So, out.
I'm eating Adrian with a baby.
Alright guys, we went to the store and now I'm officially 100% stressed out because my kids are being bad. Cadence had her pirate booties in her tea. Kids are back there, and I have a protein bar because I wanted to have some raw broccoli and hummus before I left the house, but I got caught up working on tea kits.
What?
So I grabbed this when I was leaving the house. If you want to order some tea kits, check the link in the description to this video. And there's a link where you can order your kits. But it is Kamora's official last day of the 7th grade. Protein bar and drink my water. And I'll see y'all when I get home. Alright guys, so it's time for a snack. And I am actually going to cut up this broccoli and wash it. Broccoli. And I'm going to cut up some celery and wash it. Mommy loves some raw broccoli. So wash this. I have this. Yes, love. Let me show you. I'm about to eat this up as my second snack of the day. Yummy. Okay, so my daughter is worse than me and she's super last minute and she's leaving to California to go to a quince. So I have to take her right now at almost 5:30 to go to the mall to get her. We're really not gonna get there till like 6. So she's gonna have 2 hours to find a dress. I'm gonna take these, and to be honest with you, I'm probably just gonna get a coffee while I'm there and not have dinner. And then I'll have a shake tonight. Well, not my healthy meal. I'm not gonna have a healthy meal. I'm taking more time. Energy. I'm gonna eat a banana too. So I took these 2 things. I'm gonna eat a banana. I'm gonna have a coffee and then I'm gonna have a shake. That's good. I think that's how my day is gonna go. We'll see. So I'll keep y'all updated. Bye. I got my shake and espresso. This is my dinner. I needed it. Dealing with these kids.
This one just got everything out. Everything.
No, it doesn't. It's just shorter. Okay.
This one's pretty.
This one is really pretty. I love this one.
Hey, I said it first.
The underboob thing reminds me of maternity dresses.
Oh my god, it is.
It does.
Look how beautiful it is. You don't like this one?
No. Wear this one now.
That is pretty. This one's cute. So pretty. But I want this one for my birthday. So pretty. I was at the mall a lot longer than expected. It's after 9 o'clock now. I'm not hungry, I'm tired. And I'm just gonna take all my nightly stuff now. Call it a day. Holy. I know it's bad. I'm supposed to have my shake and all that greatness, but I'm tired. It wasn't that bad. I'm just tired now. Very productive day. Time to juice again today. I'll juice tomorrow. I have my brother's birthday party tomorrow. But yeah. 16 pounds. I know it's because I'm not like going to the gym and all that. And I know I keep saying I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back because I gotta make these last couple weeks count. Gotta make it to 20 pounds at least. At the least 20 pounds at 100 days. The cruise is in September, but my vlog is only for 100 days straight. But I'm gonna give me some badass results by September. Watch. That's my treatment. So if you fall off and you get back on, you fall off and you get back on, don't worry. As you can see, I am too. But the best we can do is our best. And I'm doing my best right now, even though I've been slacking. But I'm actually very, very, very proud of my journey as an entrepreneur, working mom of 4, and wife. I'm actually proud of how much I've accomplished in the last 60 some days. Like losing 16 pounds while doing everything you do in a day and not even making it to the gym and still trying to eat right. Real life. See you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.